I just closed a deal in Warrendale that made me $23,000 in profit, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. You're probably thinking, how is this possible, right? I mean, $23,000 is a life-changing amount of money, and I'm not just talking about the profit, I'm talking about the entire process, from finding the motivated seller to closing the deal. You see, I've been doing this for a while now, and I've learned that the key to making big profits in Detroit real estate is to find the right properties, in the right neighborhoods, at the right price. But here's what nobody tells you: the traditional real estate agents and the so-called gurus, they don't want you to know that there are still incredible deals to be found in Detroit, in neighborhoods like Warrendale, Corktown, and East English Village. They don't want you to know that you can still buy properties for pennies on the dollar, and flip them for massive profits. But I'm here to tell you, it's true, and I'm living proof. You see, I've been working with motivated sellers in Detroit for years, and I've learned that they're not just looking for a quick sale, they're looking for a solution to their problem. Maybe they're facing foreclosure, or maybe they've inherited a property they don't want. Whatever the reason, they're motivated to sell, and that's where you come in. You, the savvy investor, can provide the solution they need, and make a profit in the process. But here's what nobody tells you: finding motivated sellers is not as easy as it sounds. It takes work, it takes dedication, and it takes a solid understanding of the Detroit real estate market. You need to know the neighborhoods, you need to know the prices, and you need to know the players. That's where I come in. I've been doing this for years, and I've developed a system that works. Now, let me break down the deal that made me $23,000 in profit. I found a property in Warrendale. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house that needed some work. The seller was motivated, they were facing foreclosure, and they needed a quick sale. I negotiated a price of $47,000, which was a steal, considering the property was worth at least $70,000. I then flipped the property to a buyer for $70,000, making a profit of $23,000. You can do the same. You can find motivated sellers, you can negotiate great prices, and you can flip properties for massive profits. But you need to know the steps, you need to know the process, and you need to know the market. That's where I come in. I can guide you through the process, I can show you the ropes, and I can help you make money in Detroit real estate. Here are the steps you can take. First, you need to find motivated sellers. You can do this by driving for dollars, by attending auctions, or by working with a real estate agent. Second, you need to negotiate a great price. This takes skill, this takes patience, and this takes practice. Third, you need to inspect the property, you need to know what you're getting into, and you need to know what it's going to take to flip the property. Fourth, you need to close the deal. This is where the magic happens, this is where you make your profit. If you're ready to get started, if you're ready to make money in Detroit real estate, call or text 313-800-9790 or go to nationbuyshouses.com, link in description. I'll be happy to guide you through the process, I'll be happy to show you the ropes, and I'll be happy to help you make money. Don't wait, don't hesitate. The Detroit real estate market is hot, and it's not going to stay this way forever. You need to get in now, you need to take action, and you need to make money. nationbuyshouses.com is your one-stop shop for all your Detroit real estate needs. We've got the expertise, we've got the knowledge, and we've got the connections. We can help you find motivated sellers, we can help you negotiate great prices, and we can help you flip properties for massive profits. So, what are you waiting for? Call or text 313-800-9790 or go to nationbuyshouses.com, and let's get started today. In my next video, I'll be sharing another deal, another success story, and another example of how you can make money in Detroit real estate. You won't want to miss it, so be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Call or text 313-800-9790 9790 or go to nationbuyshouses.com, and let's make some money.